Hey, hello everyone, and welcome back to FunMathology. Now today our topic is addition and subtraction of integers together or simultaneously. So this is the part 7 of integer series. Got it? So today we'll learn how to do a mixed addition and subtraction of integers in one go using number line and without using a number line. So let's start. Now you know, on a number line, if you go towards the right hand side of 0 or in general right hand side towards the right of any number, means the integers increases. If you go towards the left, the integers decreases. Now please do remember that mixed problems such as these one that you are seeing on the screen are solved, if it's not on a number line, are solved from left to right after converting the subtraction into addition problems. If there are not any parentheses which tells otherwise, if there are parentheses which says you have to do something else, then you need to do something else, following Bodmer's rules. But if there are only positive and negative integers and you have to do either addition or subtraction or both, then you just need to solve the problem from left to the right of the numbers. Just remember that. So while you are using rules, you just convert every subtraction to addition as I have shown you. Remember, a minus b is equal to a plus of minus b, right? So you are changing this subtraction into addition, and then you can apply the rules of addition of integers that you have already learned. Okay. So let's come to the first method, that is addition and subtraction of integers together using a number line. See, let's take the first example. So I have minus 2 plus minus 5 minus of minus 3, right? So at one go, so there are positive and negative integers, we are either adding or subtracting. Now, I think you remember, like I'm writing few notes for clarity's sake. So adding a positive integer, I'm just showing an arrow, means you have to move towards the right of the other integer. Got it? On a number line. Now adding a negative integer, you have to go towards the left of the other integer on a number line, right? Again, while you are subtracting a positive integer, then you have to go towards the left of the other integer on a number line. So if you are subtracting a negative integer, then you have to move towards the right of the other integer on a number line. So you just remember this 4 clues or issues or rules, and you will be able to solve such kind of problems on a number line easily. So let's take the first one. Now, as I told you, from left to right, you go on from left to right while solving such problems. So what is on the extreme left? That is minus 2. So try to identify minus 2 on the number line. See minus 2 here. You have to add minus 5 or negative integer. If you want to add a negative integer, see the arrow is towards the left. Got it? So we have to go 5 places towards the left of the negative 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we've reached minus 7. So right here, just put an arrow here, left and right plus of minus 5. That is what you have done right now. So you are showing here on the above of the jumps that we have shown. Now once we are minus 7, then what is there? Minus of minus 3. So we are subtracting a negative integer. So you have to go towards the right hand side. How many places? 3. So let's go here. 1, 2 and 3. So we'll write here. We'll put an arrow here and we'll write what? Minus of minus 3. So what will be the answer? Answer will be minus 4. Easy. Follow these rules, follow these steps, follow from left to right. You will be able to solve such kind of problems easily by using a number line. Let's take another example. 8 minus of minus 1 plus of minus 3, right? So very easy. So identify 8 first. So here is 8 on a number line. So we are subtracting a negative integer. Subtracting a negative integer means, so you have to go towards the right. How many places? 1. So I'll go 1 places. So I'll write, see this arrow I'll give, then I'll write minus of minus 1, right? Then I am adding what? Negative integer. I'm adding a negative integer. So I have to move towards the left. So from here I have to move 3 places towards the left. Got it? So I'll write, okay. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 6. Got it? So this is a very simple rule. If you have addition and subtraction of integers together, you have to do at one go by using a number line. Follow these steps and follow these rules. Got it? Now let's see method number 2. Okay. So what is method number 2? That is without using a number line. Okay. Now before actually going through these problems, please remember these things. If you have a minus within bracket of minus x, x is an integer, right? We'll write plus x. So minus minus is plus. If you have a plus of minus x, then it will be minus x, right? If you have a minus of plus x, then it will be minus x. So you just remember these 3 situations. If you have minus minus x, it will be plus x. If you have plus minus x, it will be minus x. If you have minus plus x, it will be minus x. So we will follow these rules to do it, these questions very faster than another rule that I have shown you before. So what was that rule? First of all, and I have shown you for 2 addition or 2 subtraction. So if there are 2 numbers we are adding, if there are 2 numbers we are subtracting, I have shown you in that cases. So what you need to do in those cases, you need to convert a like this one, a minus b, you have to convert the subtraction into addition, right? See, you have to convert the subtraction into addition. Now once you have converted the subtraction into addition, then you can follow the rules of addition. What is the rules of addition? If you are adding, I'll just write it again and follow the earlier lectures. Adding 2 positive integers, so what you need to do? Add their absolute value and the sign will be positive. If you are adding to negative integers, then what you need to do? Then again add their absolute values and put a negative sign before it. If there are difference in sign or different sign, right? Then what you need to do? Subtract the smaller from the bigger and put the sign, the result, the sign will be of the larger absolute value. So you can do this one. You convert the subtraction into addition and you can follow these rules of addition. Okay? Or you can also follow this simple rules. Let's see. See, plus 5 minus of plus 3 plus 2. So 5 plus 5 is plus 5. See, minus of plus 3. See, minus of plus 3 will be minus 3. Plus of plus 2 will be plus 2. So 5 of minus 3 is 2. 2 plus 2 4. So you can follow this rules also, right? So next example, plus 3 plus of minus 7 plus 5. So plus 3 will be plus 3. See, plus of minus 7 will be minus 7. Plus of plus 5 will be plus. So this will be 3 of minus 7 is 4, minus 4 plus 5 is equal to 1. Simple. Let's take the third one also. Plus 4 minus of minus 6 minus of plus 2. So plus 4 will be plus 4 minus of minus 6. Minus of minus 6 is plus 6, positive 6. Minus of plus 2 will be minus 2. So 4 plus 6 will be 10. 10 of minus 2 will be 8. Got it? So this was for class 6. We will be doing till the addition and subtraction, or because we do not have in class 6 multiplication and division of integers. We will be getting those issues in the next class, in the class 7 syllabus. Okay, so in the class 6 we have addition and subtraction. So today's lectures we have learned how to add and subtract at one go of integers using a number line and without using a number line. So I guess you have followed the lectures, students. If you have any issues, please write me in the comment box and I'll try to answer those as fast as possible. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll soon meet with another lecture very soon. Okay, bye bye then.